Hi little kids, today I am going to draw for you a beautiful horse. How to draw a beautiful horse, I will learn you here. Let's see how I draw the horse and how I color it. I draw the horse and here I am adding some stars and a moon. You can also draw this to make your picture attractive. I draw the horse. Now let's color it. Here I am using sketch pen color. I am using all the deep colors for the beautiful horse. You can use any kinds of color as you like. How cute the horse looking. It's looking so cute, so beautiful. You should also try it at home. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel for more videos. I will be back with new videos. Till then, tata bye bye little friends.